Hello, beautiful souls. So, we are all here once again, and we know that Reiki is a Japanese form of energy healing therapy, and it's based on the notion that all humans have energy fields or life forces, as we may say, which keep us alive. And according to the practice, physical, mental, and emotional issues can occur if this energy becomes low or it becomes blocked. So, the purpose of Reiki is to promote good health by balancing these energy fields. As I discussed in the last video, like other spiritual practices, Reiki is also based on a set of principles, and these core concepts are similar to affirmations or intentions. You may consider them like mantras, like Om, Shrim, Om Namah Shivaya. So, in your daily life, as you utter mantras when you wake up in the morning, similarly, you can use these Reiki principles as mantras to help you guide through your thoughts and actions each day, and it will definitely take care of your day. It promotes your spiritual as well as your personal growth, and we'll see how they can be done. Go get into what the Reiki principles are one by one and see how you can use them to help create more positivity in your day-to-day life. There is no right or wrong way to incorporate these precepts into your life. They can be used during meditation, as your morning intention, or whenever you need them. The total philosophy of Reiki is rooted into 5 principles. The first one is, just for today, I release angry thoughts. Now, it's very normal for all of us to feel angry at times due to the various situations. Might be somebody has said something, might be somebody has reacted in a bad way, somewhere you have gone stuck on the road, you met with an accident, or any source of anger. It is what we Reiki says, that Reiki believes anger doesn't come from outside events. It's instead, it stems from angry energy which is already there within us. So, first we have to recognize and release the angry feelings and improve your relationship with anger. Say aloud or say to yourself, just for today, I release all angry thoughts. Just for today, I release all angry thoughts. Experiencing anger is not necessarily a bad thing. It signals to us that someone or something has perhaps crossed a boundary. What actually matters is how we deal with that anger now. When something makes you viscerally angry, try to get to the root of it. Think about when you felt angry today. Sit with the anger for a moment before acting. If you just woke up, think about any anger you experienced yesterday. Think about past events which made you angry. Compare your emotions. Ask your higher self to help you release these angry thoughts and feelings. Take 2 deep breaths. Imagine letting go of angry energy every time you exhale. This is not about suppressing your emotions, but rather coming to terms with your anger and peeling away the layers to see what the trigger is. So, how do you say? Just exhale. Just say, just for today, I release angry thoughts, and exhale. Again say, just for today, I release angry thoughts, and exhale. You will see that this principle is just a reminder to allow the anger to come to the surface and dissipate in its own time, instead of judging it or shaming ourselves for it, which only makes it linger longer than necessary. So just let go of your anger of today. Now, the second point or the second principle of Reiki is, just for today, I will not worry. Many of us worry unnecessarily. Sometimes some people are warriors with a capital W. So this Reiki principle will help you ground you when you start considering the future. If you're holding on to worry energy, thinking about future events which can produce negative emotions, our egos get overwhelmed with making up imaginary future plans and then living in the present as though the imaginary future we made up in our mind is real. So you start imagining things. So when you say this, just for today, I will not worry, this slows us down to the moment, to just now, just this, and just today. So, this practice of tapping into faith and breathing into the present moment will create significant shifts into our individual and collective consciousness. So think about when you felt worried today. If you just woke up, think about the times you worried yesterday. Think about similar scenarios from your past and look for similarities between your past and current emotions. ask your higher self to help you let go of these worries. Say, just for today, I release thoughts of worry. Say loud or to yourself and exhale. Take 2 deep breaths, think of releasing worry energy and exhale. Now, third principle is just for today, I am grateful. This is a reminder to express gratitude for all what you have by slowing down and recognizing the good things in your life. It may help you foster more positive energy. This encourages actually the practitioners, since you are here to become a practitioner in future, so you have to see beauty in everything and be present for the blessings in your life. Say, I am grateful. It involves the act of being thankful, and this principle is mostly about the presence of small little things in your life, in your everyday moments which you forget. So take a pause and be thankful. Maybe the sunlight, maybe the trees swaying in the wind, maybe the loving kiss of your partner, maybe the smell of your baby's head, your breath, your body, your life, your nature. In other words, take a moment to unplug and enjoy the natural pleasures of life which you have. Say aloud, just for today, I am grateful. Think about every positive person, object, and scenario in your life. Thank God, thank your parents, thank your partner, thank your kids, thank yourself. Pause and express gratitude for each one. Allow your heart to feel full with each thought and see the drastic positive change in your attitude. Say aloud, just for today, I am grateful, and exhale. Just for today, I am grateful, and exhale. Now, the fourth principle which Reiki says is, I expand my consciousness. The fourth Reiki principle is strongly related to mastering one's craft, and it encourages everyone to work hard in expanding their consciousness. It involves acknowledging your own mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about paying attention to the here and now. What is happening in the present moment? What is happening by living in this present moment? Start by saying the principle aloud or to yourself. I expand my consciousness, and exhale. Visualize when you have recently experienced greater consciousness, such as being present in the moment, feeling thankful, doing some form of meditation, doing a meditation walk. During any Reiki, Tratak, gazing meditation, spiritual practice, the biggest problem comes with our concentration. So mindfulness practice helps us to focus on what is happening around us while we are living in the present moment, due to which the biggest benefit is regarding our consciousness. So unless whenever you want to practice meditation and you do not expand your consciousness, you will not be successful. Before you begin, say aloud, I expand my consciousness. This is the fourth Reiki principle, and the fifth and the last is, not the last but most important, is just for today, I am gentle with all beings. This principle teaches us how being kind to others lets you receive positive energy in return. It includes being gentle with yourself too, not only the outside sources but also with yourself, which is very, very essential for your spiritual health. Being gentle not only with ourselves but also with others helps us to receive more and more positive energy. To maintain our spiritual health, it is necessary that you remain gentle with everyone and try to make yourself as calm, grateful, and humble as possible. It is very important for you to be like this to receive and return any positive energy. Think about those moments when you have been unkind to yourself or others today. Recognize any guilt or anxiety related to these events. Ask your higher self to release that energy. Take 2 deep breaths. Think of releasing that negative energy. Say, just for today, I am gentle with all beings, including myself, and exhale. Say again, just for today, I am gentle with all beings, including myself, and exhale. You can start your day's activity like this. Identify your emotion as venting out anger. Help strengthen the connection with your own emotion. And after waking up in the morning, think of those past events in which you experienced anger. What would have been the reason for this? Was this the last option, or how could it have been handled? Think about all this. If you think more about future events, then take some time for yourself and think about the events of your past about which you had expressed a lot of concern. Was it justified, or did it happen as if you were thinking of it? Now, do not forget to say thank you to those people who help you throughout the day. Every day, we find people around us who care for us. If you meet such people, express your gratitude. This not only strengthens the relationships between you two, but also makes energy transformation easier. Identify your own consciousness. For this, you can do activities like keeping yourself in the present, practicing meditation, and showing respect to people. Under any circumstances, not be misbehaving with others and doing activity related to strengthening the connection strengthens the emotional attunement inside you. All these 5 Reiki principles seem as easy to hear the deeper their effect is. For Reiki practice, it is necessary to feel our energy. For this, we make ourselves more and more sensitive. It helps us to connect with others, feel others, and heal their emotions. So, these are the 5 principles you must practice and say to yourself every day. And in the next session, we shall begin with knowing your spiritual body, what are the 7 chakras, and how you can unblock them. So, take care, keep practicing, keep calm, and stay blessed. Love you all. Jai Mata Di.